7, 8. Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the second class of Soli Rhythm. The first beat is slap to slap. Now let's play it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the pace to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is tone bass. Tone bass. Tone. Now let's play it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the pace to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play all the beats, each beat 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lessons for today. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.